Magandang hapon po ng March 21, 2026 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 21, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, March 21, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. the result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 21, 2026, Saturday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, March 21, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for March 21, 2026, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.